It's a Case Patriot 3330, 120-foot boom. I'm gonna go through the driver's side boom real quick. Position 1 is just 1.5 inch long, square U-bolt into a 2.5 inch receiver with a 13-inch extension to your peg. You would start off on your center, which is that camera right there, and then 10 inches over. This is on 20-inch spacing, so 10, 30, this is position 1. Then you move over onto position 2, which you have to do, you have to drill. So you'll have 2 holes in the back there, 2 holes through the top of the tubing, and then in the bottom through, so you get a 3-inch U-bolt to go through. And then that goes into a 34-inch receiver, although we have it marked all the way down, which I believe is a 26. That's position 2. Position 3 is the same thing, except you're not drilling. You just directly mount to the primary boom with a 3-inch U-bolt to a 3-inch plate and 34-inch extension that's tucked all the way in. Same follows with position 4 and 5. 6 changes up because you need to get over to this nozzle body, which you can't connect to the secondary because it folds. So you'll come here, same thing, you have to drill holes. You'll have to drill on the back side though. You'll have to move a wet boom mount out of the way, which I moved over here. And you can use the holes that shares in the back, and then you just go over the front. Following all the way over, that's position, that'd be 6. So going on to 7 here, you have a 9x13 offset, which is on the front side of the boom, onto 2-inch square tubing. Come on over, same thing follows here, same thing follows for this one. And it's important that you flip the drop over the top, and that makes sure that it folds, you don't get any trouble, nothing. Then you switch on over to position 10, which flips to the back side. Come out the back, folds over. Be conscious of your nozzle body. Position 11 is a 6-inch receiver or extension on a 2.5 inch receiver on 2-inch square. Come over, this is a removable peg, but that's just acting as a catch. And you come over to the last one, which is a 2.5 inch removable peg. In the video it's 3-inch, but that's how you fold.